All right, what's up, guys? This is Marc Augustine here. And before we get into the video, please don't forget that we have the Dropship Mastery. That's basically the sponsor of these videos. What Dropship Mastery is a full course by eCom Sniper. You could get it for $97 with the coupon code FIRST100, and it also includes the eCom Sniper software. So go check that out. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, let's get into the video. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping for over 10 years, and right now we're dropshipping on eBay. Sammy, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Sammy. I've been dropshipping on eBay for the last 6 years. And just as always, happy to be here, man.
Right. So what you're looking at is another account that we're gonna build for you guys on here on YouTube. So you could look at what we're doing, comment, ask any questions. And if it will best help you if you have the eCom Sniper software while we are doing the work, because you could copy exactly what we're doing in your own account. But
Right.
yes, Sammy, go ahead.
Right. I think the last episode we spoke, we went ahead and increased the limits and we sourced 65 items on camera. However, I think what's appropriate is we need to be documenting the entire series, like the most important fundamental parts. So what we're gonna do today, I believe, is like, we're just getting this account started. We went ahead and we marked up the price by 80%. It's a bit of a jump from what we did last time, from 65 to 80. I think it'll work. The purpose right now is not to get a whole bunch of sales. It's to get items up. You know what I mean? To start like warming up the account per se, so you don't shock eBay when you have like 10,000 items.
Yeah.
You
And
know what I mean? Like,
question, Sammy, can you bulk change the
prices?
yeah.
Oh, of course, man. Instead of doing that, a better idea would be like when we're running our marketing promotion.
Okay. Just
Yeah,
increase the discount.
exactly. It'll be even more attractive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we just give like 20%. And you know what? I think the last campaign I did, that's what I was doing. So I think once we get like, I think our campaigns, instead of like a 5% markdown, we'll just put 10% or 20%.
But
I remember I
20%.
spoke. Right, and you know what? That's something we gotta think about as well. Like, what is the most effective pricing strategy for the marketing campaigns? Do we raise the price by 100% and give them a 50% discount? Like,
Well, right now we're at 80. So let's get into the
yeah,
next milestone. So the
all
account
right,
has 68 items, and the next milestone is the first milestone of these accounts are 1,000 listings.
right, right, exactly. So let's go ahead and find something, and we're gonna look, and then we'll see if we can find some drop shippers, and we'll source 1,000 items
I
on camera.
personally don't like Halloween products because of how short term they are, how seasonal they are.
Right, right, right. Fair enough. Fair enough. So let's just put, I don't know, inflatable. I saw the word on there and then I just put it up.
Yeah.
All right. So this one, oh, do you know what? This is a pretty famous item.
Right.
Inflatable boat series. I've sold this thing many times.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
that price I
shouldn't.
could believe you.
Yeah, you shouldn't do it because Intex is a Vero brand. The way I know they're Vero is because they burnt me. But I remember I sold a whole ton of this item, man. Like this specific one. And in Canada the price is much more expensive. I don't think it's 22 bucks. I think it's like 40, 50 bucks. So
Okay, okay.
this is a great item, man.
Well, we could use that to find clearly to find drop shippers.
Right, right. So once again, we have a button, this eBay button over here, and it opens up like the eBay search results with the title. And right over here we find that 4191. So you can see that this person is not using the UPC number, because if he did, he would have this star rating as well,
Yeah.
right? But you know what? Why is there multiple star ratings? Right over here, same star
Because they're
rating,
using
44.
different UPCs.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, but this guy is selling for $29.99. It's funny. He put the sniper, the bullseye inside the
Yeah.
title. Intex Explorer, 200 inflatable, two-person river boat raft, dual air chambers. This guy optimized the title. Yeah, this guy optimized the title. Yeah,
Yeah.
interesting. So I guess like let's see. These
Yeah,
people.
let's
Let's see.
see him because he has 2,400 feedback. The other two, one has 1,100.
Right, right. This guy's a bit interesting because he puts the emoji. And yeah, I'm just seeing like this fire extinguisher. I wonder if he's getting this from Amazon and he's just using
Different photos.
exactly. Or is he really a dropshipper or 'cause you know like I
Yeah, he doesn't look like a straightforward dropshipper at all. With the type
it,
of products and some of the images that he has.
right like this price even like $29.99 like how is he able to source it at this price? And that it seems like the only one. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can search this on Amazon. Maybe we'll find something there. This one, this strike first. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think he's a dropshipper, man. So let's get out of this guy. I mean, he
Yeah.
could be, but
Yeah, but it's not as straightforward. So next.
right, exactly. Let's go open this guy. 41.91. Okay, 68 sold. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. Let's clear all of it. So the purpose right now, we want to get 1,000 results, right? So now we have 68 over here. Let's go ahead and just grab the next guy. Min Farah. 312. Yeah, I think I can tell he's a dropshipper. This one, there's like no confusion just looking at the products.
Yeah.
I just thought of something. That's probably what we should be doing like on our eBay accounts as well. Like maybe half the items we put like that other guy. That way, you know, if we ever do get MC011, we confuse the hell out of them. Because that was confusing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I feel like that was a great idea, man. Maybe but yeah, guys, just a quick note. Like, if you guys are following us for the MC011, right? Somebody manually goes ahead and inspects the account. And if they're inspecting the account, right, if they know you're a dropshipper right away, like they'll be able to tell. And we are qualified to make that assessment as well because we look for dropshippers. So by just straight up going to this guy's account, we were super confused. So whether he was or not, he could be, but like whatever he's doing here, like yeah, like I feel like we should be throwing in a whole bunch of items like this, right? And you know what, Mark? Somebody somebody inside the group chat, he said that it's not a feasible idea to use review images, right? Like, what do
Right,
you think
right,
about
right.
that?
I don't think it is because of the time it takes to take down and upload the review images.
But what if it's all automated? Because I know FBM Fox does it for Facebook Marketplace. You get what I mean?
In that case, yeah.
Right. Because you know what? Like, if you want to post 1,000 items, right? Like, even if we're using Ecom Sniper, like
Mm-hmm.
instead of like all you have to do is just open up the page and then click snipe title and then pick the image. And you can have a VA do that. You list 1,000 items in a day, like no problem with
Right.
review images. So for example, this item right over here, right? Like what we could do is make the software go ahead and like pull up all the review images and place it at the top. And then the review images would be all like they're all cleanly placed, I believe. These are some nice videos.
Yeah, there are videos for the.
I feel like this picture would sell. Like just the thumbnail.
Yeah, yeah.
That would have been a good picture for eBay. Anyway, so what I'm saying is like we could have a software go ahead and like
Pull the
um
review images.
yeah, that one guy who was like he was fighting me in the Telegram. He's saying that it's not a feasible idea, it's time consuming. I don't think so, man. Like
It
these
all
things are gonna
depends on how it all depends on how you look at it, because he's looking at it from a point of view of complete manual. We're looking at it at a point of view of creating a piece of software to pull the images.
right, right, right. No, I hear you. I hear you. Sorry, are you still able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Like, can you pause it? Can you pause the video for a second? I think my okay. So what I was saying was that like all these review images, like we could just easily just pull them. Like we can just pull them from here, yeah.
Yeah.
And then like we can bring them to the top, and then easily we can select whichever one. So really, in the end of the day, like this can be a very like feasible idea because all you have to do is just post the review images, and I believe like this picture would sell. This would sell.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If you had pictures like that, like they would be very attractive pictures. This picture, this is a great picture.
But that looks like a created picture.
Yeah, but at least it would stop us from getting a Vero complaint
Yeah.
for the copyright for the images. Because remember,
Yeah,
like the
but this is, remember, this is a Vero brand, huh?
but they can only ping you for Vero if you're using any of their material.
Ah, okay, okay,
You
okay.
know what I mean?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So
But if I would I just prefer to stay away from Vero brands personally.
right, but that's because you do. But if you completely changed everything, they're still gonna hit you. I have a feeling they're gonna hit you.
No, but I'm saying, like, there's so many products out there. The time it will take to justify, or the time it will take to beat Vero, I just prefer not to sell Vero brands altogether.
Well, here the reason why we have to have this conversation to begin with is because we don't know when a company is gonna become a Vero brand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Today,
I know that, because Intex wasn't a Vero brand 6 years ago.
exactly, right. Now they personally they hit me, so I know that they're quote unquote Vero now. They take action.
Yeah,
However, if we like start implementing, a system like now on that we're able to like, because remember, Ecom Sniper already solves the issue with the title and description.
right.
You know what I mean? So that one of the copyright issues are like, are you copying the title? Are you copying the description? If you write your own unique description, you're not copywriting anymore. And now, if you're able to solve the picture where you're not using their actual like the company's image, you're protected. There's no
Yeah,
more
no,
lawsuits.
I understand that, but what I'm saying is there's so many millions of other items to sell that I understand that is a competitive advantage, and you would be able to
No,
sell.
no, I'm not even talking about for this brand. I'm saying just for the simple fact that is we don't know if we want to make this business feasible, right?
Mhm.
Like we need to know how to protect our accounts. Like for
Right,
example, understand this, right? If we want to take this account, right? Let's say Chike's account. If we want to make like $10,000 off of this in 1 month from this one account,
right,
what do you have to do? You have to list 100,000 items,
right.
right? And if you're gonna list 100,000 items, right, no matter how much Vero protection
Yeah,
you look for,
you're still gonna end up listing very item.
you're gonna end up because we don't know all of the exactly, right? So with that being said, the only thing to protect us would be if we had a system that made sure that it's impossible for us to get Vero.
True, true.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if I will go, like, I've been drop shipping so long that I just deal with the Vero, you know what I mean?
You deal with the Vero. Say that
In the
again.
sense that when you get hit with Vero, what do? You just wait. You take your 3 days off.
Right, but like I work with accounts with like 25,000 items at a minimum,
Yeah,
right? And
yeah.
then those are like, I remember I was speaking to Jack Pittman, and then like I actually got on a call with him, and he said that like Jack Pittman's like, guys, he's a guy who posted like 100,000 items onto his account, and he
Mhm.
told me literally he would be getting like 5-6 Veros daily. You know
Jesus.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would screw you over. Like your account would get this, but he was on this like there was this program back in the day. It would be like the Vero acceleration program or something. And what it would do, it would be that it would give you 24 hours to delete the items from your account, and you wouldn't get a Vero strike. And he was on
Right.
that, and so he would just whenever he get the notice, he just deletes the items on a daily basis. But that doesn't exist anymore, right?
Right.
And so we don't have that option. But if he tried to do his bulk listing technique where he posted 100,000 items, he would have been suspended so quickly. With Ecom Sniper at 25,000, you are relatively safe. There's like maybe a 50% chance. 10,000 items, you're good to go. Like you're
Yeah.
not like you might get a Vero, but you just wait it out and then. But if you keep getting Veros in succession, it'll screw you over.
Right. Right.
But but to take this account and get it to like making $10,000 a month, right? I believe you would need to solve like if you want to get to 100,000 listings on one account, you would need to solve the issue of Vero pictures.
Yeah.
'Cause-
Yeah.
So that means like review images or like I've been one of the things that I've been experimenting with for the longest time was stable diffusion, right? And stable diffusion, right? I'll tell you what it is just really quickly. What it does is, let's say you have like, I don't know, let's say you have the review image right over here, the main image over here, right? What stable diffusion would be able to do is it would take this image and put it in the beach.
Right.
It would
Right.
go ahead and
Exactly.
rotate it. Yeah, that exactly. So it becomes a brand new image. You know what I mean? And then if eBay and like this company, right? If they try to like, they're not gonna be able to copyright the image because they didn't make the image. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, I guess they could because there are like lawsuits happening with. I won't. Let's not get into that.
Yeah. Let's.
But but yeah, like you know what? So that is like some of one of the solutions I've been thinking about because I know that this Vero image copyright, that is the last hurdle. And the reason I was talking about Temu like last time was because there is no issue of Vero image copyright, right? These Chinese brands are not gonna care if you go ahead and like use their images.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They might
Yeah.
send you like, I don't know, a gift basket for doing so. Yeah, so and they're good images, right? So what the reason why I was talking about Temu in the last video and why we're working on some integration with Temu was, just to test it out for the sole reason that it solves one of the biggest problems that we've had, which would have been Vero,
Yeah.
image Vero. Like you can post all of Temu and you're gonna go to sleep that night knowing tomorrow you're not gonna get an email that says you're in a lawsuit.
Yeah. But let's get back to this eBay thing.
Alrighty. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue grabbing some of the dropshippers. Um okay, last time we got these two people. Let's get this guy as well. He looks like a dropshipper. And you can see from his items for sure he is. By the
Yeah.
way, this was a cool side note. You're able to marginalize like more profit onto your eBay store by, translating the title into Spanish. In
Yeah.
Canada, we do French. You're gonna get a smaller audience, but it's similar to going ahead and like changing the title because now you're not competing with everybody else, because you have like you're speaking towards a
A
Spanish
Spanish
speaking
audience.
audience. Exactly. So this was a cool thing that they did right here. Let's go ahead and grab all the titles. Grab the Spanish one, but I think it's all right. All right, so that was 15 items. Let's go ahead and grab this one. His name was Min Farah. We got this guy, right?
Yeah. I think we got.
Okay. Yeah, I hear that. So let's open up this guy. He has 88 items. And guys, it doesn't need to be a dropshipper. What we're really looking for is just variety. You know what I
And
mean?
items that variety in items that's sold.
Exactly. Like just the kind of like we're looking for the niche, the ideas. Doesn't need to be the exact product, right? If just because someone is not sourcing from Amazon doesn't mean you're not able to extract titles from them. This is a good hat. Even I'm thinking about buying it now. All right. So let's go ahead and yeah, this review image is it is this review image like is this I'm thinking like is this what is this picture? Is this did he crop it and put it on a
That looks like the side of the box or something.
oh okay. Fair enough, fair enough. I thought he just took the main image and then he put it on like a card or something.
But he's trying different. If you look at his listings, he's selling the same thing with different like descriptions and images.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah. Like one thing I wanted to say to everybody watching, like people think you're competing with dropshippers. No, you're competing with all of eBay. So
Yes.
whenever you're comparing like your pricing, you're looking at your pictures, don't look at other dropshippers. Look like for example, this guy he looks like a dropshipper, but look at your other competition and see if you can learn from them as well. You know what I mean? Okay, so
Yeah.
let's grab this guy. This guy's top rated seller. Let's see what his items are. Yeah, he's definitely a dropshipper.
No,
You would say so.
I wouldn't agree with that.
Yeah, yeah. I'm. Yeah, it looks like his specialty at this point.
Yeah, he's specialty in gaming and those type of items and
Right,
gadgets.
right. No, I got it. I was scrolling down for a second and then I'd be I'd be scared to go ahead and like list this kind of stuff though.
Yeah, I wouldn't list any of that stuff.
Right, you put the word Pokemon or Pepe Pig, and they're gonna come down with you with the band hammer so fast.
Yeah, I wouldn't list any of that stuff.
Yeah, it's high risk, man. But you know what? All the power to you, man. This guy,
So we've
ex
taken what, like 400 items so far?
right, right. This guy, he's going with a completely brand new approach that I've never seen before. He de-optimized the title.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's a count. Oh wow. Okay, I mean these titles are longer, but this was funny, man.
Yeah, he just forwards.
Yeah, Butte 5263. If you're watching this, you need to work on this listing, man.
Yeah, but he's new. I mean, he only has 2 feedbacks. So he's a new seller.
Right, right, exactly. Send him the course, man, when you get some time. All right. Okay. So this guy, let's go. This guy is selling it for pretty cheap. All right. So let's see. Hey man, this is like some Freddy Krueger shit. It's a cool item, man. I wonder when what they use this for. It was just a movie prop, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we grab this guy as well?
No, I don't like, if you look at his items, he could be like an AliExpress. Look at the pricing. He has a lot of items. That's like $7, $8.
Right. But I mean that doesn't really matter with our sniping
Yeah,
strat.
we could take it. We could take it.
But yeah, okay. Let's just we don't have to focus on it. Well, let's just grab some dropshippers that we know for sure. But that's interesting you said that. You think he found the Index Explorer on Alibaba?
No, a lot of these guys mix up, like some dropshippers mix supplier, right? So you'll be supplying some of the items from eBay, some from Walmart, some from AliExpress.
Right, right. Fair enough, fair enough. Okay, so this guy, um, yeah, I think I like his items.
And how many he has sold.
Yeah, let's go ahead. 104.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's grab it. And then we should see that we have 591. Our goal is to get to 1,000 because we just want to list 1,000 items onto the account. So this guy right over here, let's see what this guy does. 44.93. 383. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's
What
made
is
my
that?
skin crawl.
Yeah.
Fake roaches. You know it's a good product when it gives a reaction from you.
That's crazy. Why would someone want to buy 120 fake roaches?
I don't know. It could be a good prank, man. Like,
For
oh,
Halloween, that's the only.
you know what? You know what? Like, I think the question you asked was such a great question. You know why? That question needed to be answered inside of the title for it to be a very effective listing. Do you get what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
somebody needs to see the product, right? And then what needs to be done is like, great way to play a prank, perfect for Halloween project, tricking people. So the perfect title for this would have been something like fake roaches, and then you need to write something like great way to play a prank. Something like that
Yeah.
would have been a good title, because when just the question that you had was the same one we did. Like, why does somebody need that? And then if you answer it right away inside the title, the person doesn't need to think about it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
he
now,
has that exact thing at the end of it, fake roaches, but Jesus.
but it cut off. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's grab it.
That's another 383.
Right. Cash for junk cars. Okay.
So that would have taken us to the 1,000.
Pretty much, yeah. Let's just source one more guy and then we'll be a little above or below.
Yeah.
I like this guy. His prices are like insane, which is great. All right.
Right.
Yeah, cool. Have you noticed that we've seen two of these kind of hats already?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I guess these bucket hats, or boonie hats, these are somewhat popular. They caught my eye recently. 3 pound dumbbells. Yeah,
So
it's
guys,
cool.
if you're still watching the video, smash the like button and hit subscribe because you could follow us exactly what we're doing and fill your account as well with dropshipping items. And
Right,
leave any comments in the comment section.
right, exactly. So here we go. We got 1,000 items that we titles that we've got. So let's go ahead and open up our product hunter. Let's clear the results from last time. I'm gonna press import, and then what I'm gonna do is let's go ahead and set up our filters. Pause it for 1 second.
You broke up for a second.
Hey, Marc, can you pause it? Okay, I can start back. Okay, we're back. So what we just want to do right now is we just want to go ahead and set up our filters. And over here, you can see like the amount of reviews that these items got. So, okay, so let's go ahead and like, we put our maximum reviews as what? Let's go put it as 3,000 and minimum reviews 100. And yeah, we'll get 2 items per listing. Oh, this is maximum price. Sorry. Let's put the maximum price for now as 150. And minimum price could be 0, doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
And minimum reviews would be 100, and maximum reviews would be 1,000. And max similar items, let's put it at 3. All right, so we set it up, and then let's go ahead and start grabbing our items. Yeah, and close these things. We don't need them anymore. Press search title, and there we go. It's gonna start searching one by one. Okay, hold on. Let's pause this for 1 second. Let me change the settings up one more time, because I think right now with one of the updates, we got to put minimum reviews to 100. So let's go ahead and start back from up to the bottom. And then search title. And there we go. Okay.
Right.
So it's pulling up these items and then we can kind of see what they are. Cool. This is a perfect example of how powerful eCom Sniper would be. Because if you go ahead and just copy this title and put it onto eBay, there's no optimization at all.
Yeah.
Press snipe title with eCom Sniper, and what it's gonna do is gonna go ahead and like completely create a brand new title, like that's much longer. Padded spa pillow instead of 2 adjustable height and neck support. This is like, these are the items, like you can see the total characters was 29, and all of a sudden eCom Sniper gives you a title that's 78 characters long. You know what I mean? And we're doing all of this in bulk. Like this is one of the items that we're gonna be selling onto our eBay store, and you know let's go see if there's any competition for this item. Tupac. Did this guy just
No.
Tupac? Yeah, it's the same price, so it's not dropshipping. Okay. Well, at least we know that once we post the title, we're gonna have the item. We're gonna have a brand new title that nobody else has, and
Yeah,
at
and
least we
then say
know.
won't be competing with all these other people.
Right, exactly, and we can see that like our perfect title came: plush padded pillows, 2-pack, spa battery. Yeah, you know what? Look at this. I think it's a great title. It gives a sense of luxury with the word plush.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead back to the product center. We have 67 results. We're gonna wait until we get once we get 2,000 items because or just wait until this search is finished. It's 42 out of 991. And then once we're done this, we're just gonna go to our bulk lister. Let me open it up real quick just to show what's gonna happen. I'm gonna press clear. And then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in all the items into here and then I'm gonna list it. And we're gonna list it slowly. Maybe just like in this once we're just grabbing all the items so that we don't have to like scan for items for the next, I don't know, 5-6 days. You know what I mean? So
Right.
we're just gonna go ahead and grab these 2,000 items and then we're just gonna post them onto the account and then we're just gonna slowly put them like 100 per day, 200 per day, whatever. But the whole point of this video is just to show you that we're sourcing all the items. So what do you think about posting the items tomorrow, and then just today we just let this scan for
Yeah, we'll
everyone to
definitely
watch?
we'll post it tomorrow. So guys, in eCom Sniper, there's a product hunter that gets you the items that you want to sell, and then there's a bulk lister. Those are the two of the powerful features in eCom Sniper. And you're looking at the product center here, going through the product research we did, and then tomorrow we'll do the bulk lister. But we'll only bulk list like 100 items a day, because it's a new account that we're using, so we're listing relatively slowly.
Right, and we can kind of go into like the details of like the bulk lister and everything. And today, like we'll just end the video off by letting it scan, and then tomorrow everyone can come and they'll see the results of 2,000 results or whatever.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. So guys,
I think that'll be a good roadmap.
Smash the like button, continue following us on this journey of dropshipping on eBay. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. We have a live group chat. There's a link there, a link in the description as well. And there's a link to the Facebook groups. Have a good one, guys.
Have a good one.